What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. Welcome back to another guide. In this video, I'll show you how to install Speedtest on a Raspberry Pi. Simply open your console and type in sudo apt install speedtest-CLI. Hit enter and Ukula Speedtest will start installing. Yes, you can use the website, though it's a little bit easier to use the command line. If you're pretty good with commands, it's a lot faster. And of course, it has nothing to do with your browser, so that won't be a bottleneck in any capacity. When it's done installing, we can go ahead and type in speedtest, hit enter, and we'll start running a speed test. Super simple. Now, this should be a lot more reliable than testing through your browser. The download speed is great, upload speed is great as well. If I check through my browser, for example, speedtest.net, and run it here, you'll see the download speed is a heck of a lot slower. In fact, it's about a fifth or a fourth of what it is actually. It's not too bad for a browser, but of course, it's nowhere near close to the full line speed. Obviously, if you're using wireless over Ethernet, you can expect a huge speed decrease, as wireless is nowhere near as fast as Ethernet, at least when you're far away from your router. It's of course also not as reliable. As you can see, on the same exact connection, it's telling me different numbers versus what we had in the console. The console is much more reliable. Anyways, thank you all for watching this super quick guide. My name's been Troubleshoot. Hopefully you found this useful, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!